Okay, this is the TCP server program. First of all, we have to create the socket. This is socket system call, which contain the three parameters. The first one is family, second one is type, and third one is protocol. So first of all, define the server sockfd. Server sockfd is equal to socket. Family is AF init, that is address family. Second one is sock stream, because this is the TCP program, and third parameter is IP proto TCP. Now save the program and just compile. Now second system call is bind system call, which contain the three parameters. Bind actually assigns the socket address to the socket specified by socket FD. So first of all, define the object of the sock adder underscore in and assign the three values. First one is family, that is SCN family is equal to AF init, that is address family. Second one is SIN port number. For that one we use one method that is called H2NS, that is host byte ordering to the network byte ordering short, and 50,005, this is the port number. Third one is we must have to assign the IP address. For that one we use one method, that is inet underscore adder. By using ifconfig, find out what is the IP address of your machine and assign that IP address. Now define bind system call with the three parameters. The first one is server sockfd. Next one, structure server address. Then size of server address. Now third system call is listen, which actually returns 0 if successful. So it actually contains the two parameters. The first one is server sockfd and second one integer value, that is called backlog. Next one is the accept system call, which actually accepts the next connection request. But for that one we must have to define one sockfd, because accept system call always return one child socket fd. Okay, along with that you must have to define one structure variable, that is client address, because we are going to accept the client connection inside this client address. So first parameter is server sockfd, second parameter is struct sock adder and client address as object of that structure, and third parameter is the length of that client address. Now again compile. Now next system call is receive, because first of all we are going to receive the data which is sent from the sender. So for that one we have to define one receive data as a character array, and one send data which is required to send the data to the client. So receive system call contains the four parameters. First one is the socket fd, which is returned by the accept system call. Second parameter is the data array in which we are going to receive the data. third one is size of received data, and fourth one is a flag which is always set to the 0. Now print the received data. Next one, send system call, which again contain the 4 parameters. Okay, but for that one you must have to take the data from the user. So use the scanf percentage send data. Now, send system call. The first parameter is the socket FD, which is written from the accept system call. Second one is the data which we want to send. Third one is size of that send data, and fourth one is flag set to the 0. Now compile. Now next system call is close, okay, which contain only one parameter, that is socket FD. Okay, so close socket FD. Now this is the completion of the first program, that is TCP server. Now we have to create the TCP Client Program. Okay, save it is as a TCP client.c. Now copy all the header files with the main function. Now the first system call is socket system call, same as the server socket. Okay, so first of all declare one client socket FD as an integer. Client socket FD is equal to socket with the 3 parameter. First one is AF init address family, comma. Second one is sock string, because this is TCP client program, and third one is IP proto TCP. Now next system call is connect system call. Okay, connect system call is actually used to connect the socket to the address specified by the server address. Okay, so just copy the server address from the TCP server program as it is, then call this connect system call. First parameter is client socket FD, which is created by using the socket system call. Second parameter is structure variable, and third parameter is size of server address. Now next system call is send system call. Okay, first of all compile this. Okay, successfully completed. Next system call is send. We want to send the data, so same parameters for the send system call. First of all define character array, that is send data with the size 100, as well as receive data as a character array with the 100 size. Now take the data from the user, enter sender's data, scanf percentage send data. Now define the send system call. Send first parameter is client socket FD, comma, second one data to be sent, size of send data, third parameter, and fourth one is flag 0. Now compile that one. Now next system call is receive. That is, whatever the data is sent by the client, we have to receive in the client side and we have to print that. So first parameter is client socket, second one is receive data, third one is size of received data, and fourth parameter is 0 as a flag, and print this received data. Okay, last system call is close. Close client socket. Now save this one, compile. Now if we want to execute this TCP socket programming, then you must have to open two terminals. One is for the server and second one for the client. So open two terminals. Okay, one for the server, second for client. Now first of all execute the server program, then execute the client program. Now enter the sender's data, TCP client. This TCP client is received at the receiver side. Now enter the TCP server, which is get received by the client.